Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today. As always, you know the drill. If you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 3 minutes or stay with us as we say hello. Good morning, Zazu. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Mariella. Good morning, Mary. All right, I think it is time for us to start. And today we continue exploring embodied inquiry with a very interesting practice, embodied loving kindness meditation. You are all very familiar with the loving kindness practice by now. We have done it so many times and explored it in depth a little while ago in a whole series of practices. And today we will focus on the embodiment of the loving kindness. In other words, we will see how we do loving kindness in our body, which is super interesting in my opinion. Before we start, just a quick reminder that the purpose of the loving kindness meditation, or also it's called metta meditation, is to cultivate universal friendliness, benevolence, to become kinder, to be less afraid, less angry, less reactive, less impatient against how things truly are. while wishing safety and ease to every single being in the universe, including ourselves. So let's explore this together now. Take a comfortable position. And as usual, notice all the circumstances of your practice today, outer and inner, and not as an outside observer, but as a body, breathing and sensing itself from the inside out. Let your breath be soft and easy. Don't try to control it. If you can say yes or welcome to your breath, do it out loud or in your mind, just like we did yesterday. You can say yes, welcome to you, to everything you sense, feel, and think right now, in this very moment. Feeling this yes, this welcome, as a body, from the inside out. Now scan your body gently from top to bottom, emphasizing acceptance of what is in a kind manner. Maybe invite a gentle inner smile into your body. This is a very good base for what comes next in the embodied loving kindness practice. Remember that the loving kindness practice has a traditional verse, which I'm going to recite right now, but you can always use your own words, whatever resonates best with you. When you do this practice, repeat each phrase internally very slowly while feeling the impact on the body and allowing the words to land after each phrase. Let's start by doing it together with a traditional verse. I'll make pauses after each phrase so that you can connect with the direct experience of it. And as you do it, encourage your body to soften and open, to relax and expand symmetrically. Your eyes can be closed or open, totally your choice, whatever helps you connect best with your body. May I be filled with loving kindness. Repeat the phrase and notice how you feel this phrase as a body. How does it land? Where is it felt the strongest? May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. Breathing softly, invite kindness into your eyes. How does that phrase feel in the body? May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and loved. Here, maybe put one or both hands on your heart and see if you can soften and open, relax and expand a little. May I be happy, healthy, and loved. May I find deep, natural peace. Here you can experiment with adding a little bit of visualization, maybe radiant light of a color you associate with peace, love, kindness. How does that feel? May I find deep, natural peace. I'll give you a few minutes in silence so that you can continue in this way, using the traditional verse or your own words, repeating them each phrase slowly, deliberately, staying in the body, connecting with the felt experience of each phrase. As you do this, keep feeling and utilizing the body to learn to embody kindness. Notice what happens naturally as you repeat the phrases and see if you can replicate this felt sensation consciously so that you can do it more often at will. Stay with your direct experience of loving kindness as a body breathing and sensing itself. And as I have done in the series before, I'll pose a few questions. Try to answer them from within the body and not theoretically, not logically. If nothing comes up as an answer from the body right now, don't worry. Questions themselves are invaluable and perhaps even more important than the answers. They will continue to stay with you well after we are done with this formal practice. And eventually your body will answer them. You'll see. What is the shape of love? How does it feel in the body? What is the shape of love? How does it feel in the body? What is the color of loving kindness? What is the color of loving kindness? How can I do love as an action? How can I do love as an action? What in my body is not loving? And can I replace this with relaxed expansion? What in my body is not loving? Can I replace this with relaxed expansion? In what subtle ways am I pushing reality away right now? In what subtle ways am I pushing reality away right now? If I was truly, fully, not hostile, really filled with loving kindness, what would change right now? If I was truly, fully not hostile, what would change right now? As you go through your day today, I invite you to be attentive to your body and notice if more embodied answers surface. Maybe continue asking some of the questions that really resonated with you. And I'll put all those questions in the um, post with this video today. For example, I am most curious about finding out what the shape of love is in my body. So I will continue with this inquiry. Remember, it's an experiment and there is absolutely no way to do this wrong. Connecting with loving kindness in an embodied way is sure to eventually change your relationship with yourself and the whole world in a huge way. So be patient and have fun with it. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I'll see you tomorrow.